Well, I think we all know why we're here, right? Excuse me, sir? I really don't. They just grabbed me out of my sleep. They didn't even tell me where I was going. Nah. Look, that got nothing to do with me, okay? Now you shut up. Oh. Well, anyways, we're all here because we have some business to take care of, and we thought you guys would be the perfect fit. Hey, are you shaking, son? Oh, nah, bro, it's cold. It's 96 degrees out here. What you mean it's cold? Are you scared? Nah. Man, I'll take on anybody. I ain't scared, bro. Let's go. We doing all this talking. Oh, okay. That's what I like to hear. So I want you. Load up the Draco, go take out their whole base by yourself. Oh, by myself? It's like 500 of them. Hurry up! Dog, I didn't sign up for this. Now! Nah, Jit gotta fight him all by himself. Bro gonna end up in a casket. That's crazy.